Score both sides of the mango first. Then slice horizontally and vertically like this. Pop it inside out for instant mango cubes. Fold paper, insert the boiled egg, and press with a stick. Secure both ends with rubber bands for a bit. Slice it open to reveal a cute heart-shaped egg. Sprinkle baking soda over your dirty wooden cutting board. Squeeze fresh lemon juice all over and scrub thoroughly. Wipe it clean for a sparkling fresh board. Push an empty Pringles can right through the center of a watermelon. Pull it out to get a perfect watermelon cylinder. Slice it into neat, uniform round mini patties. Smack the bottom of the lettuce head firmly on the board. Twist the core out effortlessly in one easy move. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil over fresh watermelon. Big Pharma definitely hates this simple trick. Trust me, your body will thank you later. Toss 1 cup of fresh watermelon right into the blender. Add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Squeeze in the fresh juice of 1 whole lemon. Pour half a glass of water and blend smooth for 1 full minute. This powerful elixir helps crush kidney stones fast, detoxifies kidneys and wards off annoying urinary infections, flushes your liver clean, boosts blood flow, and keeps your digestion super smooth. Drop a comment below if you want more game-changing hacks. Microwave an unhusked ear of corn for 3 minutes. Slice off the stem end right through the husk. Squeeze the top and the cob slides out silky smooth. Press a warm cob over a stick of butter to coat it instantly. Season with black pepper for maximum flavor. Sear seasoned chicken tenders until golden brown on both sides. Sauté minced garlic right in that same savory pan. Pour rich, heavy cream into the fragrant garlic oil. Add salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Top with those juicy fried chicken tenders. Dump heapings of grated Parmesan and mix until velvety. Toss in your cooked nest fettuccine. Serve this restaurant-quality pasta and win everyone over. Here's an old-school wellness secret most folks miss. Add half a spoon of sugar and half a spoon of salt. Squeeze in fresh juice from half a lime. Top it off with hot water. Stir thoroughly until everything dissolves completely. Drink this homemade tonic for instant relief. Eases urinary tract discomfort fast. Calms burning sensations right away. Keeps your urinary system super hydrated and clean. Fold hot pancakes into taco shells using the lid container. Cut sausage patties and eggs into neat strips. Fill the pancake tacos with sausage, egg, and crispy hash browns. Drizzle ketchup and sweet maple syrup on top for the ultimate breakfast tacos. A trusted staple among natural remedy lovers. Super quick to whip up at home. Mash 2 bananas till my wife stops judging me. Crack 3 eggs in, dump a cup of oats and baking powder. Fold in fresh blueberries, bake it hot fast. Look straight from a high-end bakery. Boom, pure magic. My boss at home actually approved this. Ever poured milk right into cooking oil? Sounds wild, right? Trust me though, this weird combo will blow your mind. Top fancy restaurants hide this trick forever. Big joints keep this recipe heavily guarded. They know if you whip this up home, you will never order takeout again. So stick around till the end. You will thank me. Quick question down below. Where are you watching this crazy hack from? Dropping a shout out right away. Let us jump in. Pour half cup whole milk inside blender. Hit blend, stream oil super slow. Just follow my clumsy hands here. Slow pouring locks that thick velvety texture. Easiest hack ever. Take your time, zero rush. Let the machine do work. Blend away smoothly. Pure drool-worthy perfection right there. Base is totally locked. Time for flavor boost. Squeeze half lemon straight into blender. Keep blades running fast until it gets insanely rich and creamy. Adds an absolute killer tang. Takes this sauce to next level. Now bring the freshness. Grab fresh parsley and green chives. Chop them small. Toss a heavy handful. Gives that bright aesthetic. Smells unbelievable already. Blitz another minute straight. Mix everything extra smooth. Pinch of salt. Do not overdo it. Pro tip, add tiny bits. Drop 2 peeled garlic cloves inside. Taste as you go, keep wife happy. Final secret item. Punches up that massive flavor. Check this out. You unlock the cheat. Ultra creamy green mayo. Made with basic pantry cheap stuff. Ready in literal seconds, plus bonus. Here is the real win. That chef's secret exposed now. No nasty preservatives or fake colors. No unpronounceable chemical garbage added. Best part right here, once you make this once, you realize how ridiculously fast it is. 0 mysterious weird ingredients inside. Total daily essential. Sealed tightly in a glass jar, frigid. Stays fresh 5 days, 0 problems. Upgrades your boring sandwich instantly. This recipe easily becomes your staple. Slaps hard on burgers too. Got extra leftovers remaining? Drop a comment, how was it? Tweak that flavor profile your way. Extra garlic hits hard. Make it home. More lemon or spicy chili flakes. Gives that custom kick. You got a foolproof homemade banger now. Super simple. Works 100% guarantee. Your family will devour this fast. They will beg for your secret. Made it this far? Comment homemade Mayo down below. Rate this recipe 0 to 10. Big hugs, catch you next time.